Right then, so in today's video we have this Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio at the studio for our full car PPF package. This one is a little different though, because it is 4 years old. So originally when the car was brand new, the customer brought it to us to get the front end and ceramic coating package done. However, it's now been 4 years and he is passing it on to a family member of his. So what he's opted to do is remove the old PPF and get it all protected with the Xpel Ultimate Fusion film. So first up, we need to go ahead and get the car taken down to the team at Smart Car Automotive. So they're going to go ahead and refurb the reels for us, and then once it's back we can go ahead and get on with our job. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and let us know in the comment section down below what else you'd like to see, and let's get on with it. So that's the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio, now back from the wheel refurb place. So the wheels have now been refurbed and they're looking pretty much brand new now. So it's now our turn to get on with the paintwork of the car. So full chemical decontamination up next, just to make sure the paintwork's as clean as possible. Then we need to go ahead and remove the previous film and go ahead and apply PPF to the rest of the painted surfaces. So let's go ahead and get it decontaminated. So then, that's the wheels now coated, and as you can see, they're looking fantastic. So gloss levels are insane on these now. and ready to go back straight on the car as soon as we finish decontaminating it. So they're ready. Now let's go outside and get the car prepped. Right then, so that's the car fully decontaminated. So the next step, we need to get the wheels back on the car so we can get it inside in the PPF bay, ready for us to start applying the PPF. So let's go ahead, put the wheels on and let's get it inside. That's the Alfa now in the PPF bay, ready for us to go ahead and start applying the film. One thing I did forget to mention to you guys is, as this previously had front end and coatings, what I've had to do is go around and polish the rest of the car that had the coatings on, just to diminish that coatings so it doesn't cause us any issues when applying the film. So let's go ahead and get this Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio protected with Xpel Full Car PPF. So that's all of the painted areas on this Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio, now protected with the Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film. We're using the Plus film at the moment as there is a national shortage of the Fusion film. However, that doesn't make a difference for us because we have the incredible Waxes Dead wrap and PPF coating. So what we're going to go ahead and do now, just wipe the car down and go ahead and coat it with the Waxes Dead wrap and PPF. Right then guys, so after a lot of hard work at the studio, that's his Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio now complete. Look how good it's looking behind me. It's definitely looking better than when it left the showroom over 4 years ago now. However, it is fully protected with the Xpel Ultimate Fusion paint protection film. As well as the PPF, we also went ahead and got the wheels refurbished for the customer as requested, and we've gave it a complete makeover. So all of the interior, that's had a deep clean. The engine bay, all nice and clean now, ready for the owner to collect it. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.